Traders, I posted this the other day. Shiba Inu short. I was looking for the pullback. We got that, and movement down into, well, I got this liquidity target here. You know, my bias is still much the same. However, in saying that, it's been a bit of a slow process here. And I think what I'd be looking for at this point would be something like this. So if we just, well, I mean, we could go from this double bottom setup here and consider this range. I'm going to be looking for something like this. See this low? I'd like to see a break of the current range, retest, fail. And if that's the case, we could see further downside. Keep an eye on the DXY. If the DXY rallies, then SHIB paired with USDT would most likely sell. At the moment, we're in a bearish trend, but we can see that this has been holding up here lately, and you want to be a little bit careful. So I think the break, retest, and fail would get me interested, something like that. So that's my take on Shiba Inu at the moment, guys. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.